Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to auto pitch on Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. And the top of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and auto pitch on Bandlab. Using auto pitch in Bandlab is a great way to correct and enhance your vocals. First of all, launch the Bandlab on your computer or mobile device. Add or record a vocal track in your project. So go to library, and here you can go and create your projects. Click on the auto pitch icon in the bottom left of the screen and click on enable icon. After that, choose from one of your four vocal effects: classic, modern rap, robot, big harmony, or duet. Use the level knob to adjust the intensity of the pitch correction. Then select the key and scale you want to tune your vocals to, and then click record button to start recording with auto pitch in real time. This will help you achieve the desired pitch correction and add a professional touch to your vocals. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.